Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to autofill date in Google Sheet. First, open the Google Sheet and select the cell in the row or column where you want to start and type in the date you want to begin with. In this example, I'm using the month, day, year format. If you want to change the date format, click on the cell, then go to format. Then click on the number. After that, click on the custom date and time in the bottom. Now you can change the date and time format from here. For now, I will keep it as it is. Next, click on the cell again. You will see a small blue dot in the bottom right corner. Click hold and drag it down to where you want the dates to be autofilled. Then release. And just like that, it's done. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.